A 2018 Mazda CX-5. We're resetting scheduled maintenance or oil life maintenance. And we're going to be using the radio to do that. So we'll go to the radio, and what you need to do first is press the home button if you don't have that screen pulled up. Push home, and you're going to use the knob here. When you press home, it's going to give you this screen here. You're going to need to move the dial over to applications. Press the knob in for enter. Go down to vehicle status monitor, and right here it says maintenance. You have three options. Okay, this one is set up for scheduled and oil change. So if this is giving you the warning that scheduled maintenance is due, just go down here and hit reset. Actually, reset. Same thing with the oil change. If you change the oil, go to oil change and reset it. I'll reset the distance to 5,000 miles. This one's already been done, so just for the video. Well, I hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you could hit that like button for me and leave me a comment if you could, and I hope to see you again in another video.